my teeth before didn't look that good, and today I know I have beautiful teeth, and it makes me very happy and free to smile anytime. Dr. Nottingham makes you feel very comfortable, and when you have confidence in your doctor, it's easier to have all the procedures done. When you look at your smile after you have your teeth done, you look at the mirror and you see your face totally change. You will be more confident. For me, it's easier to smile all the time. I'm naturally a smiley person. I really like to smile. I love smiling, and it makes people confident and happy. And having a beautiful smile keeps you up during the week, at work, and you are able to smile, and people looking at you and saying that you have beautiful teeth. For me, it's really important.